Hello YouTube, today we're going to be looking at some of the Thomas and Friends characters. We're starting with the number one engine, Thomas the Tank Engine. Thomas is the number one tank engine who lives on the island of Sodor. Thomas pulls Annie and Clarabelle. Sometimes he pulls freight trains. Next, we have Edward, which is the first engine ever on the island of Sodor. He is the number 2 engine. He pulls freight trains and he helps other engines. Now we're going to be looking at Henry. Henry is a big engine on the island of Sodor. He is the number 3 engine. He can pull heavy goods trains with the Flying Kipper. It's his very favorite train. 4, we're going to be looking at Gordon, the express engine. He loves pulling the express. Sometimes he has to pull goods trains that he hates. He loves pulling the express fastly, stopping at stations. 5th, we're going to be looking at James, the number 5 engine on the island of Sodor. He hates goods trains like Gordon, and he likes going fast. And he loves pulling coaches, like Gordon. 6th is Percy, the mail engine. Percy is a small engine on the island of Sodor. He loves pulling the mail train, and he likes his friend Thomas. Toby pulls Henrietta. Toby likes Henrietta a lot. Toby uses Henrietta for pulling passengers. He's the number 7. Emily has no number, but she's always ready to help other engines. She will pull goods trains and even passengers. She likes helping other engines. Number 8 is Duck. He's a great Western engine. He likes doing things the right way, and he's the number 8. He can pull goods trains and coaches. From his old island, they were the slip coaches. Now we're going to get out the 2 engines, Donald and Douglas. Donald is from Scottish, and so is Douglas. They're Scottish twins. And they sometimes get into fights. And they work together on Sir Topham Hatt's railway. They are the number 9 and 10 engine. I'm going to hold them up. As you can see, Donald is the number 9. And as you can see, he has no rating on the bottom because he was the first engine before Douglas, and then they are both black. And as Douglas, he has rating on the bottom because he came later, and he is black like Donald, and they have nameplates on their sides, and here are their faces. They look the same, so sometimes it's hard to tell them apart. They work as a good team. Bye-bye, YouTube. Thank you.